Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Bing Crosby. And we are going to react to the song Moonlight Becomes You. And this reaction that we are going to give for this song is almost after 80 years of this song released. How cool is that?
If this is true, right?
If this is true, 1942.
Yeah, so it's
That's how amazing it is.
78 years.
Yeah.
Wow, long time.
Long time. Let's listen to it. Moonlight Becomes You. Of course, it is our first time listening to this song. It is requested by our patron Brian. Let's get started with our single take on this reaction.
Moonlight becomes you. It goes with your hair. You certainly know the right thing to wear. Moonlight becomes you. I'm thrilled at the sight. I could get so romantic tonight. You're all dressed up to go dreaming. Now don't tell me I'm wrong. And what a night to go dreaming. Mind if I tag along? If I say I love you, I want you to know it's not just because there's moonlight, although moonlight becomes you so. Moonlight becomes you. What a beautiful view. Moonlight and you. You're all dressed up to go dreaming. Now don't tell me I'm wrong. And what a night to go dreaming. Mind if I tag along? If I say I love you, I want you to know it's not just because there's moonlight, although moonlight becomes you so.
Ah,
Although when I said 80 years, it sounds so far away, but it is not that far when you look at the world history and the way time lapses. And when we look back to the way this song was sung so innocently, so simply just singing about the moment, not any agenda hidden behind, not hidden meanings behind. It's just a plain simple song about the moonlight, about her and how she's ready for dreaming. Those simple life things that were celebrated so much that it was enough for a song as well. Now these days it is so difficult for someone to dream. Is that a big deal? Do you have to really dream? What is the moonlight? We don't even care about. We don't even bother knowing about. It exists, doesn't exist, does not bother us. As long as our phones are working, as long as our gadgets are working, as long as there is light inside, who cares about the moonlight? So, world has changed a lot in less than 100 years.
yeah,
Life has changed.
it's a pretty good example of a crooner here. This
Yeah.
song. Yeah, it was mild, it was gentle, it was romantic. I don't exactly understand what he means by saying moonlight becomes you. maybe is trying to suggest that she's shining.
Yeah.
The way she looks, she's
Probably,
radiant,
yeah, she's radiant.
radiantly
Yeah.
gorgeous or beautiful. The way she looks. But it sounded so good. It's very easy on the ears, easy listening, romantic, and definitely needed a bit more substance because it was quite repetitive, the same things again and again. Even though it was a short song, it still sounded pretty repetitive to me. But apart from that, it sounded really good, and it was very nice singing as well as crooning. Yeah.
It took me back in time. I wasn't born then, but I would love to be part of that time, better than this time.
No, I would love to be
You
here in
don't like
2020.
no,
yeah,
no.
for sure.
You like 2020 so much.
I can still listen to music of that era and be very happy in 2020. I wouldn't want to go
You
back.
don't like that time.
Wouldn't want to go back to World War One and World
Oh
War Two
yeah,
days,
yeah, that was
where
bad.
the world was killing each other every single day of the year.
True.
No,
42 is bad year.
yeah, I wouldn't
And
want to go
43
back.
and 44, 45.
I would never want to go back to that time.
Yet, you're right.
Yeah.
That's all for this reaction. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Doris Day, and we are going to react to the song It's Magic.
Yeah, in case this song doesn't go online, we'll still put up our reaction without the music because we don't know whether it will go online with the music or not till we upload it.
Yeah.
It has all the licensing info, but still somehow some labels, they just love to keep us in suspense till it's published or till it's about to be published. Anyway, Doris Day, It's Magic. It's the first time Single Take Honest reaction. I'm saying this because whenever it comes to songs of the golden era or even prior to the golden era, it does, many times it takes
Yeah.
ages for it to get claimed or
License.
yeah, I don't know why. Maybe they are the ones who manage it are
Not regular.
equally as old as the songs.
Could be. Yeah. Let's get started with this one.
You sigh, the song begins. You speak, and I hear violins. It's magic. The stars desert the skies and rush to nestle in your eyes. It's magic. Without a golden wand or mystic charms, fantastic things begin when I am in your arms. When we walk hand in hand, the world becomes a wonderland. It's magic. How else can I explain those rainbows when there is no rain? It's magic. Why do I tell myself these things that happen are all really true? When in my heart I know the magic is my love for you. It's magic. its magic. Why do I tell myself these things that happen are all really true? When in my heart I know the magic is my love for you.
When we talk about musical arrangement of that era, one thing that's really important is also how they were seated.
Yeah.
Because all this was recorded together.
Yeah, exactly.
You know,
I thought the same
the
thing. I wanted to
violins,
talk about it.
the instruments used, they must be just sitting 10 to 15
I know,
feet
they have to be live.
behind her
Yeah.
or far away from the mics to make it sound like that. Beautiful, beautiful. I mean, I've seen lots of movies of those, of those decades, the 40s, even actually from 1930 to 1970, and many of them black and white movies. And whenever musical compositions were played and they actually showed how it was done, the wonderful thing is to see how they are seated.
Yeah.
Because they have to get it perfectly
I
right
know.
for it to sound as good as this.
Yeah.
She has a beautiful voice. What are your
She
thoughts?
definitely
Yeah,
does. Like you noticed, even I was thinking about the same thing, that this probably is from the time when things used to be literally done together, because there was no technology to do it first and then add it, edit it, and merge it and things like that. So it had to be done in one go. If anybody messed up in that go, you have to do it one more time, and you have to do it one more time. So something like that. And with such a massive, group of people sitting in a place and doing their jobs as well as everybody could do to create something like this, so mesmerizing on the ears to listen to. It was magical the way she sang it. And there are plenty of examples. Today's time we take things for granted. For an example, all of this technology and all this camera that helps us do things. If first time it isn't perfect, second time, third time, though our reactions are always the first time and never edited. So we try and keep that aspect, because both of us, I think somewhere or the other, we like that. We like that rawness in things, and yet try to be as precise as possible, so that it's not too hodgepodge. But I remember there are movie scenes which we today often overlook, or we don't even notice it, but they were so done with so much difficulty and so much precision. For an example, there is a boat and the actor is in the boat, and he's going swimming, or making it rowing the boat, and then there is a camera which does not have reel like today's cameras. We have a memory, that digital memory that takes it. Back then there were reels, and people are feeding the reels and everything, and things go wrong over there. Everything has to be done one more time for that perfect shot. The distance of the camera and everything were so important, the lighting, the day, and everything. So back then things were difficult for artists to create, yet they created wonderful
I
things.
guess with the fact that they had that technology at that time, it was pretty advanced.
I
for
know,
them.
they must have been
So they
thankful.
must have been very excited
Yeah.
to do it.
Yeah.
They didn't know that
They
in the
didn't know
future
it
it will
would be
be
this
this much
easy.
simpler.
I think if
to
they
do
were
this.
alive today, they would say
I
there's
mean,
nothing left in
Today,
acting.
so many of the movie shots as well as documentaries and things like that, especially ones where you have to show places and things, are done
It's
with
all
drone
VFX
cams.
also.
Are done with drone cams and green
Like
screens. and
Jumanji
things like
movie, the new ones, they're all done indoors.
with green screens.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this was good.
This
This
was
was good.
great.
This was pure, raw, and so gentle, romantic. Wow, wonderful love song. Wonderful love song. Yeah, beautiful song. Her voice is always kept louder, but you can also hear the music
I
very
like
clearly.
the music too.
Beautiful arrangement. Wonderful. Whoever is responsible for the entire composition.
Everything, yeah. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.